In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Proxy for AdsPower. To get started, open the AdsPower application and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access all of the account tools and settings without interruption. If the app is already open, just confirm you're on the main dashboard before moving ahead. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on the Proxies tab. This is the section where proxy-related options are managed, including viewing available proxies and purchasing new ones directly inside the platform. Taking a moment to get familiar with this area can make the rest of the process much smoother. After that, go to the top toolbar area and click on Buy Proxy. This will open the built-in purchase flow, allowing you to choose the proxy service that best fits your setup. Since this is done inside AdsPower, the process is designed to be quick and convenient. Next, select your preferred proxy type and then choose the country location you want. This part is important because the type of proxy and its geographic location can affect how your browser profiles appear and behave. Be sure to choose the option that matches your workflow and campaign needs before continuing. When you're ready, enter your funding amount or complete the checkout directly using your USD wallet if that option is available in your account. Review your selections carefully before confirming payment so everything matches what you intended to buy. One helpful thing to know is that once the purchase is complete, the system automatically maps the purchase proxies to your account. That means they become immediately available and selectable when you create new profiles, which saves time and removes the need for manual setup. And that's it. That's how to buy a proxy for AdsPower quickly and directly within the application.